सीबीएसई के द्वारा आयोजित 12वीं की परीक्षा परिणाम में डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल के छात्र छात्राओं का रहा उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन। 100% रहा छात्र छात्राओं का रिजल्ट। दरभंगा के सारा मोहनपुर में स्थित डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों ने सीबीएसई द्वारा आयोजित एआईएसएसस कक्षा 12वीं की परीक्षा 2025-26 में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन कर विद्यालय एवं अभिभावकों का नाम गौरवान्वित किया है। विद्यालय के विद्यार्थियों ने विज्ञान एवं वाणिज्य संकाय में शानदार सफलता प्राप्त की है। तो वहीं वाणिज्य संकाय में आर्या ने 90.4% लाकर प्रथम स्थान, आशीर्वाद कुमार ने 89.4% लाकर द्वितीय स्थान, श्रेयसी कुमारी ने 88.4% लाकर तृतीय स्थान प्राप्त किया है। तो वहीं विज्ञान संकाय में वेदांशी प्रिया ने 88% अंक लाकर प्रथम स्थान, विवेक कुमार ने 87% अंक लाकर द्वितीय स्थान तथा अंश कुमार चौधरी ने 81.8% लाकर तृतीय स्थान प्राप्त किया है। इस संबंध में विद्यालय की प्राचार्य श्रीमती स्मिता स्नेहा ने सभी सफल विद्यार्थियों को हार्दिक बधाई देते हुए उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना की है। उन्होंने कहा कि विद्यार्थियों की यह सफलता उनके कठिन परिश्रम, शिक्षकों के समर्पण एवं अभिभावकों के सहयोग का परिणाम है। विद्यालय परिवार ने सभी सफल विद्यार्थियों एवं उनके अभिभावकों को शुभकामनाएं देते हुए भविष्य में भी निरंतर उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने की प्रेरणा दी है। आइए सीधे सुनाते हैं क्या कुछ कहते हैं इस संदर्भ में विद्यालय की सफल छात्र छात्राएं एवं विद्यालय की प्राचार्य मीडिया को।
Hello everyone, I am Arya and recently I appeared for my 12th board examination from DAV Public School and I scored 90.4% and I am really satisfied with my result. I am grateful that my teachers, mentors, principal ma'am, everyone helped me and guided me. I want to pursue BCom from Jan University and I want to become a chartered accountant. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vedanshi Priya and I am a student of class 12 science stream and I have got 88% in my class 12 board and I am very grateful to our teachers, schools and I want to pursue my NEET journey after that. Thank you everyone.
Namaste everyone, I am Vivek of class 12 DAV Public School. I recently gave my 12th board examination and I scored 87% in that and I am very grateful for the percentage and now I will continue to my JEE preparation. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Shreyashi Kumari and I secured 88.4% in my 12th board examination and I am very satisfied with my result and I want to do CA and CMA also. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, I am Ashirwad Kumar. Recently I gave my 12th board examination in which I got 89.4%, which is very good for me, and I will be going to pursue BBA in my future from DU and I am planning for MBA later.
Namaste everyone. Once again congratulations to all the parents, teachers and my dear students, as our students have done wonderful result in class 12th Cbse examination of session 2025-26. In DAV Darbhanga, we are having two streams, science and commerce. Our students have done wonderful result in commerce and the highest percentage is 90.4 by Arya. In the second position, Ashirwad Kumar is with 89.4 and in third, Shreyashi Kumari with 88.4. There are many other students also who all have done wonderful result. In science stream, Vedanshi Priya with 88%, Vivek with 87% and Ansh Kumar with 80% and many such students are here in the group in this batch. I am very thankful to all my teachers who are doing wonderful performance. They are guiding the students, they are helping in their doubts and thus this result is possible. I also thanks to all the parents, their able guidance and support to the students have made this result. Only the thing which I would like to tell to all my students and parents that in class 11th and 12th the students must attend regular classes. because the students who are scoring good results are our regular students. So I urge to all the parents that give time to the students at this age. They will surely give wonderful result. Once again, congratulations to all the stakeholders of DAV Public School Darbhanga. Thank you.
I, S.K. Roy, I am physics faculty here in this DAV Public School Darbhanga. Today Cbse has announced the result of class 12 AISSCE for the session 25-26. All the students have done very good. There are two streams in our school, science and commerce. In science, Vedansi has got 88% marks, and in commerce, Arya has got 90.4%. All the students have done good, and this result was possible only because of the guidance of our principal, Madam Singha, and because of the well guidance of the teachers who are working here in our school. Thank you.
Hey students and parents, and my name is Mayank Jha and I am teacher of commerce, and today I am very happy to share our school results that we have done wonderful results. We have scored 100% results in our commerce stream, and Arya has scored 90.4%, and I request everyone that be regular in your class 11th and 12th because regularity matters the most, and thank you.